Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent slager or butcher. This is how we say slager. Slager. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable. Slager. 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 This is a store where you can get your meat and deli meat. Technically, it's not an active butcher. Therefore, often the word Slagerij is used as well. Slagerij. The emphasis is now on the last syllable. Slagerij. 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 I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!